Good morning, class. Let's take some time to introduce ourselves. Each of you will stand up, say your name, and share a few sentences about yourself. Try to tell us about your hobbies, family, or anything you like. Who wants to start?
Hi, everyone. My name is Lily. I love drawing and painting pictures, especially of animals. My favorite animal is a panda because they're so cute and cuddly. I have a little brother, and we like to color together. I also enjoy riding my bike in the park. On weekends, I help my mom water the plants in our garden. I'm so excited to make new friends in this class.
Hello, I'm Jack. I love playing soccer with my friends after school. My favorite team is the Red Tigers, and I want to be a soccer player someday. I have an older sister who helps me with my homework. I also enjoy reading books about dinosaurs. My favorite dinosaur is the T-Rex. At home, I take care of my goldfish named Bubbles. I think this year is going to be really fun.
Hi, I'm Emma. I love baking cookies and cakes with my mom. My favorite cookies are chocolate chip, and I like to decorate them with sprinkles. I have a pet cat named Whiskers who always tries to steal my snacks. I also enjoy playing dress up with my little sister. When I'm not baking, I like to read fairy tale books. My favorite story is Cinderella. I'm so happy to be in this class. Hello, my name is Noah. I have a pet dog named Max, and he's my best friend. We play fetch in the park every weekend. I like building towers with my Legos, and sometimes I pretend I'm an architect. I have a big brother who teaches me how to play video games. My favorite food is pizza with lots of cheese. I also like to watch superhero movies. I hope we all have a great year together.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sophie. I love dancing, and I'm learning ballet. I go to dance class twice a week, and I hope to perform on stage someday. My favorite color is purple because it reminds me of pretty flowers. I have two pet rabbits named Fluffy and Snowball. On weekends, I like to help my dad bake cakes. I also love watching cartoons with my little brother. I think this class is going to be so much fun.
Hi, I'm Ryan. I like building things with blocks and Legos, and I want to be an engineer when I grow up. I enjoy solving puzzles with my dad, because it makes me feel smart. My favorite food is spaghetti, and I like helping my mom cook it. I also enjoy riding my skateboard in the driveway. I have a little sister, and I like teaching her how to play with her toys. On weekends, I like going to the park with my family. I'm excited to learn new things this year.
That was fantastic. You all did such a great job introducing yourselves. Let's work together to make this a great year.